Flaunt it. Do it. Do your head. Come on. Show me. How do you do it, Beeb? Uh-huh. Flaunt it. Yeah. Alyssa, say, here you go. No, here you go. Oh my gosh. Say, are you okay, honey? Hi, Nicholas. Uh-oh. You got it, baby. You got it. If you got it, flaunt it. You have to put your hands on your hips and say, if you got it, flaunt it. And you have to shake your head.
You?
Yeah. And there you go. If you got it, flaunt it.
If you got it.
Oh. Hi, gorgeous. I know. You're silly. Morning. Hello.
Why in the morning? Dad.
Shake your head.
If you got it,
whoa. Whoa. Baby, you're so cute.
Yeah.
What is that? What is that, tummy? Whoa. Silly. Bibi, say, are you okay, honey? Are you okay, honey? No. Why? Why not, honey? Some more? Luna doesn't want to go. I love you. I love you.